All right, friends, this is true reseller part-time life. So I'm currently on a business trip and I realized I just finished my first month of selling on Poshmark. If you are new around here, I've been selling on eBay for a couple years now, but I just started selling on Poshmark. So I thought I would share with you guys what has sold in my first month, maybe a little bit of tips and tricks of what I've learned. So if you're new around here, hi, my name is Nikki. If you don't know what I'm talking about, because I also do beauty videos and you're like, what the heck are you talking about? Reselling and Poshmark and eBay. I'll leave a link to the video where I explain what I do, what I sell, how much I make, all that stuff. I'll leave a link to that down below. So I have my Poshmark closet pulled up here on my laptop. So let's just go through my first month of sales. So sorry, I still have allergies. And when I say this is true reseller, like part-time life, I'm literally, by the way, this dress fits me horribly. I bought it when I was 16 pounds heavier, so I thought it would be nice still, but it fits I don't like the way. First thing I sold on Poshmark was a Show Me Your Moo tank top. And I'll put a picture of it on the screen here. Now, here's the thing, being totally honest with you guys, I had never heard of Show Me Your Moo until I started selling on Poshmark. I'm currently looking at a beach view and it's really pretty. I'm in Santa Barbara. So if I keep looking behind you, sorry, that's what I'm looking at. I'm sitting in front of a big window. Never heard of it. Like even when I was selling, even though I sell clothing on eBay, I didn't realize this brand had a cult following. So as soon as I posted this tank top, it sold within 2 days. So if any of you sell on eBay or Poshmark, keep a lookout for that brand because people love it. I don't know if it's a Southern thing. I don't know. You guys can educate me, but that was my first item to sell on Poshmark and it literally sold within like 2 or 3 days of me posting it. Okay, next up, I actually found these at the bins and I wish I would have picked up more. These are the pink, Victoria's Secret pink, you know, their active line, like their casual active line, sports bras, and they were brand new in the bins. I don't know where they got these. Maybe they got a donation from Victoria's Secret. I literally saw 20, but I only grabbed, I think 4 or 6. I think I grabbed like 6, and these immediately when I posted them, they had so many likes, so many interest, and they sold within a couple of days. So that's something to keep a lookout for. And I watch a lot of reselling videos. I'm addicted. I literally watch vlogs, beauty videos, and reseller people that sell things on Craigslist, Amazon, eBay. It's just one of my passions. I love it. So a lot of people say like you should be on the lookout for pink, or I hear people say anything that actually says Victoria's Secret pink on it, like t-shirts, sports bras, sell really good, and that sold really fast. Hey, if you've made it this far in the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified of new uploads. I'm trying to get better about reminding you guys to give the video a thumbs up. That just tells YouTube you like the video, you want to see more of my videos, because now YouTube won't show you all the videos to a channel you're subscribed to unless you engage with it. So leave a comment, thumbs up, hit the bell, blah, blah, blah. Let's keep going. Now this brand, this is the first purchase I'm telling you about that I would not purchase again. So this is a London Times, I think it's Maggie London, or is it? It's Maggie something. London Times peach dress. It was new with tags, and I kind of paid up for it because it was new with tags, and this literally sold on the last day of the month. So I'm filming this as my 1 month on Poshmark has ended. This literally sold on the last day, and I dropped the price significantly, and I paid up for this dress. And it's really pretty, and I really picked it up because it's a size 10, and I tell you guys this all the time. The clothing I sell, I want it to range from like XX small to all the way to like 4X. So I wanted a range of sizes, but I paid way too much for that, and I think it's because, excuse me, it was the beginning of my reselling life on Poshmark. I just thought, oh, it's better to have things new with tags, but I don't know, something about the style just doesn't fit my closet. It's really pretty though, so I don't know. I think I would buy it again, but not at the price I paid. I paid too much for that. This dress literally sold in less than 24 hours. I found it at the bins. It's a Kate Spade Saturday dress. Really cute. I was actually thinking of keeping it for myself. Had kind of like a cross back. It was very stretchy, very lightweight. Honestly, I don't think I did the best at photographing it. I feel like some of these dresses that I buy would look best on a mannequin, so I'm probably going to get a mannequin pretty soon. I had it listed at 45. Within 12 hours, a girl messaged me and said, what would you take for it? I told her I'd take 40, and she bought it. It literally sold like in 12 or 14 hours or something. So that's a brand to be on the lookout for. Kate Spade, Saturday, especially trendy. Make sure you keep in mind the style, because that was a really cute print. The crossback, perfect for spring and summer. So I was happy with that. These white Topshop Moto Jamie jeans. Again, I kind of purchased these and I paid a little too much for them. They were in really good condition and they looked great, but I think I spent too much on these, and they ended up selling for $19, which is okay. I was hoping to get like closer to 30, but I don't know if I'd purchase those again. I just think that I was trying to, like, in the beginning with Poshmark, like with eBay, I don't style anything. If I think I can get a good bang for my buck, I buy it and I put it on eBay. But because Poshmark has more of a social aspect, I try to make it look pretty. So I try to buy more trendy items and put the more trendy stuff on Poshmark, but I needed to keep in mind like the price I was paying for these things, because a lot of the trendier things I was finding in the LA area, I was paying quite a bit for them. So I've learned my lesson now, and now that I love the bins, that won't happen again. But yeah, I would purchase those again, but at a much more discounted price than what I paid. These shoes I actually found new in the box at Goodwill, and they sold, I think, within the first week of me posting them. I'm really going to start getting into selling more shoes, so if you're interested, I'll leave a link to my closet down below. But these were brand new in the box, super cute. I would keep these if the heel was a little higher. That's probably something you don't hear very often. I love a high heel, like very high. These are little, like they're little kitten heels. They're a size 6.5, and those sold pretty quickly. I have another version of these that I'm hoping will sell soon. They're mules with another kitten heel, and they kind of have like the trendy snake print that's really trendy right now. So those are listed in my closet, but those shoes sold within like a week. All right, next up we have from Alice and Olivia this velvet top. Now this was really small. I thought it was a crop top, but it's just a small like velvet t-shirt that's an extra small, and this sold very fast. I posted it like in the beginning of the month. It sold, I think, within a couple of days. We kind of negotiated back and forth. We landed at $22, and for what I paid for it, that's a really good profit. It was really cute. It's something I would wear if it was my size. I more like wear a medium, but it was really cute. And then next up, we have the Lucky Brand Multicolor t-shirt. This was really pretty. I'm not really big into wearing like casual graphic t-shirts, but I even looked at this. I don't know if the pictures are going to do it justice, and thought that is really beautiful. Just the bright orange, the bright blue. I thought it was really pretty, and it sold for $18. I always hear people saying Lucky Brand sells really well, and it really does, because that sold pretty quickly. I actually just picked up a Lucky Brand sweater or cardigan that's really cute, and it feels so soft. That's actually listed in my Poshmark right now. So for the first month, I sold how many items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, I didn't even realize that until I just went through it, and I'm like, wait, what? That's not too bad, guys. Let me know what you think. But I am very so I'll finish off with some tips. Well, not finish. I'll let you know some tips. Number 1, I share my closet every day. Currently, I only have 74 listings, so it's pretty easy. Within the next day, I'm hoping to get to 100, and I'm actually going to hire a lister because I need help, because I'm getting busy. I'm ramping this up. I really like it, and I can't do eBay, Poshmark, and I want to start doing Amazon if I don't get some help. So I'm going to hire a lister this weekend, and I'll probably be up to 200 listings soon. So I don't know if it's going to be feasible to share my closet every day, but I share my closet every day, multiple times a day. I upload new items daily. Even if it's just one item, I upload it to eBay and Poshmark, and it seems to be helping me, because just since I've been filming this video, I've been getting alerts. I just sold 2 items on eBay too. So listing is very important. You'll hear everyone say it. If you're not listing, you're not going to make sales. It's just something clicks within their algorithm of Poshmark and eBay, and it sends people your way. I'm very happy with the amount of sales I've had so far. If you want to check out my Poshmark, I'll leave a link down below. If you want to see my most recent video where I take you thrifting with me and I take you to the Goodwill outlets and show you how I source things, check it out right here.